byline. Say hi to the viewers, baby. Hello. In today's video, I did this no makeup kinda with faux freckles and a gradient lip again. I think this look is really delicate and soft, and it's perfect for autumn, so autumn is my favorite season. If you want to see how I did this look, just keep watching. Make sure to stay tuned until the end for a cute little video with this puppo. Right, baby? Alright. Rose water is really good for your skin, so I like to start off my makeup routine with rose water. This product really makes my skin look healthy and helps it glow. I use a cream concealer to cover up my dark circles, blemishes, and any other spots that need extra coverage. I put some setting spray on my beauty blender because this is going to be underneath all my base makeup and I don't want it to move around. I like to use brow gel before I do my brows because it sets my brows in place and I can see the shape of my brows. I'm cleaning up my brows with micellar water using a cotton tip. You can't really tell, but I use the lighter shade of this brow duo to fill in the gaps in the tail of my brow. I'm not putting as much concealer as I usually do because I want to keep the look light. I'm using a light eyeshadow base instead of a full coverage concealer because I don't want it to look too carved and precise. I'm using peach tea as a base because it's close to my skin tone. I didn't want my eyes to look too dull, so I used this shimmer to brighten up my eyes. I used peach cobbler to create some depth in my outer V. It's not much darker than peach tea, but it still has enough pigment to create some depth. much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. You're a sleepy little baby. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you really like the video, share it with someone who may like it. And if you want to see more content like this, just subscribe. You don't have to, but if you want to. Okay. Oh my god, Celia. No, what are you doing? What are you doing, girly? Bye, friends! This is heaven.